Ladies and gentlemen, I am here to review the grabber. Now this thing is so cool. It is super lightweight. All right, it folds up nice. I mean, the only thing this thing's missing is a little holster. I mean, it's almost like a sci-fi weapon here. It pops out, comes together, pop this side out. They get locked together over here with this little locking mechanism here. Can't pronounce that. Clap that into place. Same here on this one. Clip that in here. You'll see that it's run by a little cable here. Cable seems like steel. Should last a long time. Clip you into place. And pow, pow, pow. This thing's got a great grip to it. As you can see, I'm going to stand back here. Boom! No problem picking that thing up. Yeah. Pick up trash. Pick up the box that it came in. We'll sit it over here. You got stuff in high cabinets it's hard to reach, this thing's gonna do the trick. Gotta go pick up some trash, this is gonna do the trick. One thing that's cool on here is this thing will pull out and rotate it, and it'll clip back into this little groove here, and then it's facing the other direction. So if you wanted to face this way, you can, or if you want to rotate it back, and you can get to face that direction. Yes, sir. Again, super lightweight, very durable feeling. I mean, for being so light, great gripping pads on here. I mean, it'll grip a glass full of water. No problem with this. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. Y'all have a great day.